Assalamualaikum. I am Bilal Hossain Ridoy, the representative of Team Code Commandos. Today I will explain and demonstrate our DBMS lab project which goes by the name HireMate. HireMate is an all-in-one platform that simplifies the hiring process. Job seeker can learn new skills, search for job, apply and attend interviews all in one place. Recruiter can manage candidates, schedule interview and provide feedback easily. By combining everything on a single platform, HireMate makes recruitment faster and more efficient for everyone involved. Now let me take you through a quick demonstration of HireMate. At first, I will register as a regular user. Now I will log into the site. Okay, as I have logged in, I will be redirected to the user dashboard. In this user dashboard, on the right portion, I will see the applied job, but as I haven't applied for any job right now, so this portion is empty for now. Now, on my profile tab, here I can update. If I update my profile, so I will see all these details over here. In this edit account, I can update all these details. So I am updating all these details. So I have already updated my profile. Now in the save job tabs, I can see the job saved by me, but as I didn't saved any job yet, so this portion is empty right now. In this notification tab, I will see the call-up letters, but as I haven't applied for any job, I don't have any call-up letter yet. In this delete account tab, I can delete my account, and this logout tab I can log out. So as a fresh learner, I can learn from this platform. So if I go to the learn tab, I can learn skills from a well-guided resource, and these resources are here. Now, I assume I have already seen the tutorial, so I have to practice. So for practicing, I can go to the practice tab and I can practice code as I want. So here we have provided an online IDE which supports almost all the languages. Let's assume I will practice C programming, so I will select C and then I can also code and run over here. Also see the output. While practicing, if I face any problem, I can directly ask solution from the forum community. In this forum, I can see previously created categories. So if I click on any categories, let's say JavaScript, so I will see all previously asked questions. Now I will ask a question regarding JavaScript. Alright, I have submitted all my questions right now. So this is the question and this is the username who have asked the question, and this is the time, and by clicking on this title, I can see if someone have commented or not. So as no one commented yet, so this portion is empty. Now I can log out and log in as any other user to comment on this post. This was JavaScript, and this was the post. This was the post I have already posted before. So I can click here and comment. Okay. Now I have commented. On this comment, we can see the username of who have commented, and I can see the time of comment. Now I will log in as again. Now I assume I have already finished all these courses, all my required courses. Now I am ready to perform a skill test. On our platform, an user can participate on the skill test only once. Now as I will click on this button, I will be redirected to the page of test. Here these are the questions and options, so I will select question answers accordingly. Now I will submit my test, and now as you can see, I cannot appear the test again. Now I'll go to the dashboard. Now I have learned the required skills, so I can look for the jobs. So these are the jobs posted by various companies. I can also save the job. Let's say I like this job, so I will save this job. I will save this job too, and I will save cybersecurity analyst job too. Okay. If I go to the dashboard, I can see the saved job over here. I can apply from this tab, or I can directly apply from jobs tabs. So I will apply for the cybersecurity analyst post. So I will click over here, and now I can see the details of this job, job overview, job description, responsibilities, required skill, etc., etc. And also I can see the company name and details of this job, salary, expertise, required expertise, etc. So I think I should apply for this job, and I will apply for this job right now. Okay, now as a feature, the candidate can select his interview schedule and time. So I can select the date and time. Okay, I have selected the date and time for the interview. Now I will apply. Okay, as I have applied, one application will be submitted to the company. Alright, I can also see the recently applied job over here. Now I will log in as a company and see the job post. As I have logged in as company, I am redirected to the company dashboard. In this company dashboard, on the right side, I can see the job posted already by this company. On this company profile, I can see the company details, information, job applications, submit job. On this submit job, I can post jobs, selected candidates. If I have selected any candidate, the list will be shown over here. Account setting, I can update any company info from here. Payment request, usually this payment request is from the recruiter. So if recruiter takes an interview, automatically a payment request will be sent by the recruiter, and the request will be shown here. So now I will look for the job application. On this job application, I can see application from the user Patrick Batman, or on cybersecurity analyst, which I have recently applied. So if I click over here, I can see all the details of the applicants, the skill test or skill score also. This skill score is based on his skill test. Now I have two options. I can shortlist him or reject him. So let us assume I have shortlisted him. Okay. Now as I have shortlisted him, the list will be sent to the designated recruiter, and the recruiter will proceed rest. Okay, now I am logging out as the company. I will log in as recruiter. As I have already logged in as recruiter, the recruiter have few tabs on the this is the recruiter dashboard. This is the shortlist which have company shortlisted recently. So this is the applicant which have shortlisted by the company Microsoft recently for the job cybersecurity analyst. Now as a recruiter, I can notify the user by clicking this notify button. A collaborator will be sent to the applicants. So I am going to click right now. So a collaborator or interview notification will be sent to the applicant. So I am checking the application right now. So here the notification, I'm clicking the notification, and I have already get the notification for the post cybersecurity analyst at Microsoft. So here if I click on the title, I will be redirected to the interview. As I have already sent it the collaborator to the candidate, so I can take his interview right now by clicking on this interview button. So I am clicking on this interview button. I am joining the meeting. In this interface, I can see a online meeting tab and a feedback tab. I have joined already virtual meeting. So the candidate also can join the interview by clicking here. Okay, I am allowing the permissions. Okay, I have joined on the meeting as candidate also. This is the candidate, this is the recruiter, and this is the host. So in this candidate interview interface, I can see there is a portion for coding and there is a portion for webcam. Now I assume I have to code on the C programming. So I have selected the C programming from here, and now I will write something and run. Okay, my code is working fine. Now as a candidate, I can download my codes and upload my files over here. Okay, my file is uploaded already. Now the recruiter can download my files. So he should click on file downloads. Here the file is already. As a recruiter, I have downloaded the file, and these are the file. Okay. Now after the interview, the recruiter can send feedback to the company. So the recruiter can select three options: recommended, not conditional, and not recommended. This time I will select the recommended option and send feedback to the company. As I have taken the interview, my balance is 0, but if I log out and go to the company dashboard, I can see the options for the payment. Now I can see the selected candidate list here. The Patrick Batman, he is selected for the cybersecurity analyst, who is selected recently by the recruiter. Now I can go to the payment request, and the recruiter already requested for the payment, so I will pay him for this interview. Okay, I paid him for this interview. Now I will join as recruiter. Now I can see my balance. The balance is $1,000. I can withdraw my balance right now. Okay, I have withdrawn my balance successfully. So this was the quick demonstration of our project HireMate.